Did you know you can earn over $1,500 a day by creating and posting trivia quiz videos using Canva and ChatGPT? It's easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Generate your quiz questions with ChatGPT. Start by using ChatGPT to create engaging trivia questions. For example, you might ask, "What is the capital city of Australia?" Most people mistakenly think it's Sydney, but it's actually Canberra. Make sure your questions are intriguing and not too easy. Step 2. Customize your questions and answers. Once you have your questions, ask ChatGPT to generate multiple-choice answers for each. You'll get 3 options per question, with 1 correct answer. This is easy with the free version of ChatGPT. Step 3. Create your video with Canva. Log into Canva and start a new project by selecting Mobile Video. Use Canva's template feature to find pre-made trivia video templates. Pick one that suits your style. Each quiz will have 2 pages, one for the question and one for the answer. Customize your chosen template by editing the text. Double-click text boxes to modify questions and answers. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to match your theme. Next, update the background. Click on the existing background picture, delete it, and add a new image from Canva's extensive library. Drag and drop the new image to cover the entire screen, then use the position tool to send it to the back. Apply these changes to your answer page as well. Copy the background and title elements from the question page and paste them onto the answer page. Adjust the answers to match the question page and ensure the correct answer is highlighted. Step 4. Add an AI voiceover. To add an AI voiceover, go to Apps in Canva and search for VoiceOver. Choose the VoiceOver app by autopilot. Type in your script, select a voice style, and generate the audio. You get 400 free characters initially, with additional characters available for purchase. Drag and drop the AI voiceover onto your video timeline. You can also add sound effects, like a bell ding for the correct answer, using Canva's audio feature. Step 5. Finalize and share your video. Duplicate your question and answer video pages for each trivia question. Customize each set with new questions, answers, and backgrounds. Once complete, click Share, select Download, and choose MP4 to save your video. Upload your finished trivia quiz videos to TikTok and start earning. With engaging content, you can potentially earn thousands from ads and affiliate commissions. If you want to learn more ways to earn with Canva, check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, Plus Coiners.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +co_in.